Hello, in this video I will show you how to sell your crypto on Binance. Now it's extremely easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then just simply open your binance.com. Now wait for a few seconds and log into your account. After that, click on your account right over here. Then just simply go to an option called trade right over here, and over here you will find P2P. But before doing that, you have to do one thing. Before you sell whatever coin you have, make sure that your coin is in funding wallet. So if you click over here, you can see in which type of wallet it is. If it is in funding wallet, it's okay. But if it is in spot wallet, you have to convert it. So in order to change from funding to spot, all you have to do is just simply go to the transfer section under the overview panel right over here. Click on transfer. Firstly, choose whatever wallet you want right over here. Then as you can see, you can convert whatever coin into another type of wallet. So as you can see right over here, what I'm doing is converting from funding wallet to fiat wallet or spot wallet. Now, in your case, what you have to do is, if your coin is in spot wallet, you have to convert into it funding wallet. All you have to do is just simply place the fiat and spot at the top and funding at the bottom. Then choose the coin right over here. Then click on confirm and then give it a few seconds. And then that will change the wallet. Now, once your coin is in funding wallet, go to trade, go to P2P. Then click on sell right over here. Choose USDT and also make sure that you convert your coin into USDT or any one of the coins given over here. Now, once you're done with that, click on sell USDT. Then enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. After that, enter your bank details right over here, which you may have already linked. And then click on sell USDT and the amount will be transferred directly to your bank. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.